Hello and welcome to 312 Twin Eagles Drive here in Northeast Columbia. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath patio home located here in Northeast Columbia. You have a very nice size driveway right here, and also a very nice landscaped backyard as well. Let's go take a look. All right, we are entering the backyard through the fence right here. It is fully fenced in, and you have your walkway right here. Gives it a nice feel, and it goes all the way around from the front yard all the way until the backyard. Here's the back side of the house. And also you have your storage closet right here, and a really decent size patio out here. And here are the double doors that leads to the living room portion of the home. And with that said, let's go ahead and take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in, you have your hallway right here, and to the right you have your kitchen. You have your flooring right there, and also you have your cabinet space right there, and also your refrigerator, and a neat backsplash right here on this particular wall. So pretty spacious kitchen. You have your galley style kitchen right here, which leads into the dining room. You have your master bedroom over there to the left, but we'll save that for last. And then you have your living room right here with your fireplace. And this was the doors that I was mentioning earlier in the video that lead out into the patio. All right, we're gonna go back through here in the hallway. To the right, you have some closets, and also you have the bathroom right here. You have your single vanity right here, pretty good sized mirror, and also your shower and tub combo right there. Open this door right here, leads into the first bedroom. You have your ceiling fan right here. Then you have your carpet, and that window looks out into the front of the neighborhood. And here is the closet. And you have two entrances to this room. You have this entrance right here through the bathroom, and then you have your main entrance for your door here. All right, we're going to go ahead and view the master bedroom, which is right here. It is larger than bedroom number 1, of course. And you have your ceiling fan right there, and your window that looks out into the backyard. And then you have the remaining portion of the master bedroom. Right there is the master bathroom, and here is the master closet, pretty decent sized master closet. And you also have your washer and dryer connections in there as well. Here you have your master bathroom, pretty large mirror. You have your single vanity right there, and a pretty good sized shower as well. You also have some seating and some cabinet space right there. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. which is 312 Twin Eagles. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home located in Northeast Columbia. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.